Good morning, friends. Today we are back. Well, we're not back. We're in the hotel. Had a wonderful sleep. 9:21. You can't see my phone. It's 9:22. And we are just waiting for Amy and Aaron. They stayed at a different hotel. We all kind of stayed different hotels just based on availability. And they stayed downtown Niagara Falls. So we are meeting up with them. And then we're gonna actually go stop by this furniture store that's on our way home, so that we can all look at furniture. Andrew and I are gonna head over to Tim Hortons, grab a coffee and some food. I'm hungry. He's never hungry in the morning. But yeah, it was such a great night yesterday. I had a good sleep. It's nice to sleep in a non-chaotic environment. Don't you agree? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Today is our last day. Well, tomorrow we can pack. Tomorrow, the move-in isn't supposed to take place till around 3-ish. They say it'll happen anytime between 3 and 5 that we'll get the key and start moving in, but to bank on it closer to 5. So let's say 4 o'clock. So we have all day tomorrow to get ready as well, but we want to be finished today because tomorrow I'll have to do the cleaning. So there are a few things we need to pick up, like some plastic covers, because hopefully we're gonna get the place painted while we're gone. And then we need a mattress, like a plastic mattress moving cover, for obviously moving and then when it gets painted. And then finishing cleaning out my closet, and then obviously giving the place a clean. The best that I can do based on all the furniture. I guess you gotta unplug the TV and stuff too, Andrew. Like take out all the boxes and stuff like that, you know?
Yeah.
Whew. Yeah. It is, it's a big weekend, but it's exciting. I am hungry, so we are gonna get up and get moving. Let's see, what kind of a day does it look like? Is it, I can't tell. There we go. Oh, it's like half glue. It looks gloomier on camera than it is in real life. It's a mixture. Okay, let us go. Ooh, it's cold. There is the promised land over there, coffee. It's actually not that bad of a day in the sun. The sun is trying to come out. It's a sign that the next 2 days, they're gonna go great. I believe it, I'm excited. Whew, 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 whew. That wind. Car's so dirty from the snow. Oh, there. Somebody's in need of coffee, like ready to get there. What?
The person's license plate says WDWRR.
What does that mean?
Well, I don't know what the RR means, but the WDW is Walt Disney World, and it had a Mickey Mouse on it.
Nice. We have the breakfast of champions here. Coffees, a wrap, bagel. Waiting for this mall to open. Because the furniture store that we're gonna go to doesn't open for a little bit, so we're gonna kill some time. They're turning in now. We're gonna meet Amy and Aaron here and hand them off their food. That's nice, but I like this. I like this sweater a lot. I would pick up Walter's hair though. Basketball. We are I actually feel very car sick, and I never feel car sick. Do you realize you left the door open? I wonder if it's open yet. Okay. Oh, and there's a few more places we can look at. This is really nice. It's very diverse. That's a nice sectional though, like a brown.
Yeah, I like that. It's huge.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice table. Ooh, that's a nice light. I love it here. We love this store. We love it. It's danger. Danger in this. It is very like tiny. Andrew is just getting some gas. We finished looking at furniture, then we just stopped by an appliance store because we got to buy all new appliances. And now we are heading home. I am so tired. I think that I'm not sleeping really well because there's a lot on my mind with moving and going to Kansas City and packing, and I feel very like, it's not sleepy. I feel exhausted in many different levels, like physically, emotionally. Yeah, I just feel very like drained. So I feel like, oh, today's gonna be an intense day. But as long as we can go home, work really hard, and then maybe go to my parents' house early so that we can rest and get a good night's sleep so we can relax, or so that we're not like exhausted tomorrow, I think that will be awesome. And tomorrow's an exciting day, so there's gonna be a lot of adrenaline. Yeah, so I will see you, excuse me, when we get home. As you can see, it is many hours later. I haven't been really filming because, you know what, it's the last day, it's crunch time. Everything is off the bed. We just have pillows that we're gonna pack up. Actually, I gotta figure out how we're gonna do that. All of our drawers are out of the closet. The closet is completely, I don't know if you can see, I'm using my phone because I also can't find my camera. Closet is completely empty. I just have a broom that I was using. And then, let's see, over here, it's pretty good. We just have a lot of like trash stuff we need to get rid of. And then all of my like extra stuff, camera bags, stuff like that. I am about to go to Walmart to buy some more packing stuff. It would be nice to get some sort of bags to put these pillows in, but I don't really know. I'm just gonna probably put them in clear garbage bags. Maybe that's what I should buy, some clear garbage bags. Another container for like bedding and stuff. That dog, every time I see this dog, ugh, I think it's Walter. Don't mind my Diet Pepsi. I've caved. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up that stuff, and then come back home. It is, I can't believe tonight's the last night. Oh, I have so many mixed feelings, but I don't have time right now to process it. Before bed, you'll probably get a long Laura-Lee processing. So, I gotta go. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's been a long day. It's officially going to be our last night sleeping here. I realized that I packed all of our blankets, so I've got to actually unpack a few things. Tomorrow will be a cleaning day. I was gonna stay up and clean tonight, but I don't think I am. I think we will just get up. Everything is pretty much packed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's pretty much packed. Tomorrow will just be like cleaning, like wiping out the fridge. The cupboards have been wiped out. Cleaning out the bathroom, and then when the movers come, they're gonna be rolling up the carpet, moving the couch, and then, you know, taking stuff and cleaning up from there. I can't believe tomorrow is finally here. Anyways, thank you. What the heck? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again tomorrow for our big moving day during Vlogmas. Good night.